are doing well. A very welcome to the world of science. We will be learning chapter 7, Human Body, Skeletal and Muscular System. Topic we will be covering is bones and skeleton. The big idea of our topic is the framework of bones form the skeletal system of our body. So student, let us learn about skeleton system of our body in detail. So students, you all know that our body consists of 206 bones, right? So the framework of 206 bones which gives a proper shape and structure to our body, it is called as skeleton. And this skeleton protects the inner organs of our body. The human skeleton system consists of bones, joints and cartilage. Let us see all of them one by one. So students, first we will be learning about bones. So bones, you all know that they are hard and rigid, right? Let us see what is there inside the bones. So inside the bone there is a soft jelly like substance which is called marrow or bone marrow. And inside the bone marrow, blood cells are formed. You can see here, this is bone. Inside the bone, bone marrow is formed, and inside the bone marrow, blood cells in our body, which are red blood cells, white blood cells and blood platelets are formed. I hope students this is clear with you all. So let us learn about different bone structures in our body. First one is skull. The skull protects brain, eyes and ears. The skull is made up of 22 bones that are fixed except the lower jaw. So students, in our skull there are 22 bones. Among them, 21 bones are fixed at one place and only one bone in the skull is movable, which is lower jaw. We are able to move, talk and eat because of the movable lower jaw, right? I hope this is clear. So let us see the next bone structure in our body, which is backbone. The backbone is situated in the back of our body. It is also called as vertebral column. So this vertebral column helps us to stand erect. It is made up of many small disc-like bones which are called as vertebrae. All these vertebrae are joined together to form our vertebral column. And there are 33 vertebrae in all. If you run your hand softly on the center of your back, you can feel that there is backbone. This backbone helps us to maintain a good posture and it gives a good shape to us. It helps us to stand erect. So student, next one is rib cage. You can see here, this structure is looking like a cage, right? That's why the name rib cage. So student, the rib cage protects our internal organs like lung and heart. In total, there are 12 pairs of ribs. On both sides there are ribs and such 12 pairs of ribs are there in the rib cage. These ribs are attached to the sternum. There is a long bone in the center of our chest in the front. It is called as sternum. So these ribs are attached to the sternum and at the back the ribs are attached to our backbone. So thus the structure which is formed from 12 ribs which are attached to the sternum and the backbone and form a cage-like structure, it is called as a rib cage. Students, I hope this content about bones and skeleton is clear with everyone. Thank you so much students. Take care.